Mombacho Cigars in Granada, Nicaragua. When Mombacho Cigars started out on their journey to create the world's most memorable boutique cigar, we knew we needed a name that could express the passion and dedication behind it. A reminder to us of where we started and paying respect to the land that helps Mombacho Cigars continue to grow. Mombacho relocated to a new factory in one of Granada's grand historical mansions in September of 2014. The mansion was once the home of Mario Favilli, an Italian architect who built many notable structures throughout Granada in the early 20th century, combining colonial and Art Deco styles. Because of the city's heat and humidity, workers hand-roll cigars in climate-controlled chambers surrounding the building's fountain courtyard. For us, being in Granada was really important because it was our first home in Nicaragua and it was a big part of why we fell in love with the country, said Heaps. While many brands use Nicaraguan tobacco, it is often blended with foreign leaves. Mombacho sells a puro, a cigar that's 100% Nicaraguan. If you hear about the excitement around Nicaragua and its tobacco, then a Mombacho is a natural product for you to try, said Heaps. Nicaragua is a new heavyweight in the cigar industry, with its first factories opening in the 1990s. Before then, tobacco was shipped abroad for processing. In the last decade, the country has overtaken Honduras and Cuba to become the world's second-largest cigar producer. Nicaragua is on track to export 125 million handmade cigars in 2016, about double what Nicaragua exported in 2005, said Mombacho master blender Claudio Scroy. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.